As a leading solar company, Sync Energy provides the highest quality products and services from designing, engineering and financing to construction and maintenance. With a multicultural staff of over 50 people from 10 different countries, 5 offices and warehouses in major cities, Sync Energy provides the best local service available, while being able to service clients in regional areas as well. We understand that brands evolve, and we always try to ensure that at Sync Energy, it's for the better. Over the years, our reputation has grown from our 5,000 plus residential clients, commercial customers, and suppliers because we always deliver what we promised and know our work empowers our clients to take control of their energy future. With our knowledge, our skills, and the technology at our disposal, our superior solar system safely adds value to a property, and we take pride in the quality and efficiency of the systems that we install. Sync Energy is here for you, now and beyond.